This clip is brought to you by SaveWithConrad.com.
Well, another guy who's had a bit of a stop and go run there. You wrestled on March 25th. Your old pal Samoa Joe. You go 8 minutes and 55 seconds. You get the pin here. You had some killer matches with TNA. I think he was probably your first opponent when you first showed up in TNA. And fans like myself were super excited about that pairing. Why do you think that Samoa Joe, I mean, he's had a couple of sniffs in the main event in WWE. They put him against Brock Lesnar at that Great Balls of Fire pay-per-view a few years ago. But it doesn't feel like Vince has really put the rocket, strapped the rocket ship to him, or whatever that phrase is. Do you think that'll happen for Joe? Or at this point, Joe has shown them enough other things like commentary he can do that maybe his career may take a different direction?
You know what's crazy is Samoa Joe is so talented. His work ethic and what he does in the ring is unreal. And at the same time, he's so articulate. He can put his chops, he can put sentences together. He can get real creative. He's witty, he's smart, he's quick. When I got inducted into TNA Hall of Fame, he did the speech for me, and I was blown away at his speech. The guy is just a talented individual that he can do many different facets of the business. He could be a reporter, he could be a commentator, he could be, a wrestler, he could be a manager, he could be a producer. Joe has many talents, and he can do whatever he wants. He's that talented. I don't think he got a really great run. I think he had a decent run in WWE, but I don't know if his career is over. I know he had an injury, and that's the reason why he started commentary, but I don't know if his injury is healed or what's going on right now.
Hey, it's Conrad Thompson. Thanks for checking out the podcast here on YouTube. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you get a notice anytime we upload some new content. And go save yourself some money right now. If you're in a 30-year loan or you have credit card debt, it's not a matter of if I can save you money. It's a matter of how much. Find out right now for free at SaveWithConrad.com.